What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a benchmarking test comparison between Samsung Galaxy S23 and Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. S23 comes with the latest hardware specs, while we got last year's flagship processor and specs on S22 Ultra. So let's see how much difference we are going to get in terms of performance and benchmarking test score results. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So these are the benchmarking applications we got today here on our Samsung Galaxy smartphones. So first of all, let's start with Antutu benchmarking. So Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra scored 930,720 and Samsung Galaxy S23 scored 1.2 million points. So as you can see, Samsung Galaxy S23 is scoring nearly 30% more points compared to Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. If we go to the individual test score result here, you can see that in CPU, GPU, memory, as well as UX, performance of Samsung Galaxy S23 is better. So here the winner is Samsung Galaxy S23. Let's have a look on 3D Mark, that is a GPU benchmarking test, so it gives the idea about the gaming capability of the device. So on Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra in Wildlife Extreme, we got 2190 points, and in Wildlife 7484. If you talk about the Galaxy S23, it scored 3870 in Wildlife Extreme, and in Wildlife the performance was so good that it totally maxed out the benchmarking test score results. So once again, the winner is Samsung Galaxy S23 even in 3D Mark. Now if you have a look on the last test for today, and that's Geekbench 5. So Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra scored 1167 in single core and 3723 in multi-core, while Samsung Galaxy S23 scored 1563 in single core and 5080 in multi-core. So once again, this time Samsung Galaxy S23 is the winner. So as you can see, in all of these three benchmarking tests, the performance of Samsung Galaxy S23 is way better compared to Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and you can give the credit to the better hardware specs of the device. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.